Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am at Sunset Palms. Beautiful community. It is 55 and over. However, there are other, what is that word? Edit this out. Option. Alternatives. So what we have here at Sunset Palms is 34483 Cactus Drive. This here is a two-bedroom, two-bathroom mobile home with a covered carport that you could fit 2 to 3 cars. And then there's a storage back here. Check out these blinds for privacy. Pull downs. Electricity is off for now. Nothing's wrong with it. It's just temporarily turned off. This is storage. It includes the washer and dryer. So this home comes fully furnished, including that grill. Go around the back here for you can see the air conditioning condenser. This here was the that used to be the old trash removal. You would just store it there and then they'd come pick it up. Now it's old school for you. This is a great home and the community is awesome. It is a resident-owned co-op, 55 and over. Although if those who are 40 and can also live here, there are it's not just strictly 55, but the owner has to be 55, the owner on title. The share is $55,000. It is included in the excuse me, in the asking price. It is land owned, so the land is included with this home, unlike other properties where the land is not included. That's the difference in price. There's a community pool, a recreational center. They do breakfast every morning, pancakes. It is really very neat community. Okay, so here we are. As you come in through the side door, a nice open kitchen. Nice ample dining area or dining room. And these floors are awesome. This is wood. And this is wood planks, like vinyl wood planks. And this here in the kitchen is genuine wood. Show you the kitchen a little bit more. You've got pantries. You can move that around. I did mention that it is being offered for sale fully furnished. And like I mentioned, the power is off for now. The electricity is off for now. This here is the main entrance. And you have this little pass-through window. And what they did, they use it as a little workstation. You have these two closets, some more storage space. And don't forget, you've got hurricane, the shutters throughout. Metal shutters. All this furniture, TV, everything is included. And there are window treatments throughout. You've got updated windows. More storage. Easy access for the AC filter. More storage. First of two bathrooms. Take a look at the pictures that I posted in the MLS. And you've got like a medicine cabinet here, but very deep. And then it's accessible through the bedroom. I mean, very deep. Tons of storage in this mobile home, or manufactured home rather. More storage. Can't have enough, right? Master bedroom. Little closet and built-in. Very spacious master bedroom. Beautiful neutral colors. I want to point out this flooring of the master bathroom walk-in shower. It is new tile flooring. It's really very pretty. I wanted to point that out. And if you're wondering, why we have these buckets throughout the home, it's just to keep the air fresh. Keep it from getting damp in here. This is move-in ready. Motivated sellers. Oh, I'm missing bedroom number 2. Here we go. Bedroom number 2, very spacious. This is a queen size bed. And then you have, look, a sofa. So, see, I mean, it's a spacious room. Beautiful floors throughout. Again, dual closets, built in. Very, very spacious room. And storage. Give me a call if you'd like to set up a showing at 727-371-6774. If you're not in town, I can video conference you, schedule myself a showing, and video conference you in. Today is August 27th, 2025. And this one's ready just for you. In the great community of Sunset Palms. So give me a call, 727-371-6774. My name's Lisette, by the way. It has a very beautiful beachy type Florida vibe and color. Remember, 34483 Cactus Drive, Pinellas Park, and Sunset Palms. I'm going to lock it up and I'm going to take you around the community. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy. And this here is the clubhouse. Where they do activities almost every weekend. On Saturdays, like I was saying earlier, they have breakfast and other activities. They do once a month, they have like a garage sale. They have tons of activities here. So it's a great community. It is a resident-owned co-op. Some of these homes include the land worth $55,000, or the share. Actually, the share is worth $55,000. And the land may or may not be included. So it just all depends on what you're looking for. So there are homes in here that do not include the land. My listing does, the one on Cactus. Oh, it's close. It's okay. The pool, there were people in the pool, so I didn't really want to zoom in too much or take you there. But again, it's just an awesome little community. Give me a call, 727-371-6774. We'll schedule a showing. I can video conference you in. I can email you a bunch of details. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your day, folks. Bye-bye.